How to make money on YouTube without making videos. 10 new niches. Starting cash cow channels is one of the most acceptable ways to make money on YouTube without making videos by yourself. In this business module, you don't have to create videos, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need to show your voice. Hi friends, welcome back to the Cash Cow Automation channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to make money on YouTube without making videos. I will show you 10 new niches, and with that being said, you will be able to make tons of money every single month and in passive income. You don't need to show your face or your voice, you just need to hire cash cow managers and everything will be set now. Before starting this video, I suggest you subscribe to the channel and tap on bell notifications. And also, monetized channel giveaway selection is ended now. Results will be announced on Instagram, so if you don't follow me there, please go ahead and follow. Now let's get started with this video. Number 10. Psychology. Psychology is one of the best niches. Everyone loves to read other people's minds, they want to look attractive, and they want to be a mind chatter. And if you tap into the psychology niche, you will see far more better results than any other niche. You can hire cash cow managers to work on this cash cow niche. If you go to YouTube and write psychology, you will see people are posting viral content on this channel idea. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions regarding this. Number 9. Cryptocurrencies. Now you don't have to be a cryptocurrency expert to work on this niche, or neither do your cash cow managers need to do. All you have to do is hire suitable cash cow managers and let them know to join viral Telegram signals groups. As they enter the cryptocurrency groups, they will get an idea for the most viral coins and topics, vice versa. As cryptocurrency is also trending right now, chances are you will get millions of views within 2 months time period. So, the sooner you start in this niche, the best results you will get. Number 8. Tutorials. Software tutorials or product reviews are some of the best ways to make passive income. Because of this niche, you can create multiple income streams like affiliate marketing, sponsorships, merchandise, and more. It's so simple to do. All you need to do is just 3 simple steps. Buy software, review it, and upload it on the channel. You can also hire cash cow managers to do this work. Or I suggest you spend only $1,000 for 30 videos every month on this niche. It's passive income, by the way. Number 7. Motivational videos. Everyone wants to be motivated in their life to achieve their goals. So what about starting a motivational videos channel? Now, you don't need to be a guru or 7-figures entrepreneur to motivate others. All you have to do is hire cash cow managers or download stock footage by yourself, add motivational music, and upload it on your channel. Here's the thing. First of all, you need to follow these checklists. Number 1. Research this niche. Go to YouTube and write motivational videos. Number 2. Get ideas from your competitors. Watch 1 to 3 videos of another channel. Number 3. Scratch out keywords. Find out all the keywords via Vidic. By the way, I will create a detailed video on that as well. Number 4. Hire cash cow managers or make your first video. Number 5. Upload on YouTube with SEO optimization. Number 6. Gadgets and Inventions. Yes, you can start Gadgets and Inventions cash cow channel as well. It's one of the highest CPM niches, and chances are, if you work on this niche, your videos and channels will blow up within 4 months. Well, there's so many channels out there that are working on this specific niche. Let me show you one of the most viral and biggest channels in that niche. It's known as Tech Zone. They're posting interesting gadgets content and making roughly more than 50 grand every month. Just imagine, 50 grand. Number 5. Religion. Now I know it's kind of a controversial niche, but only if you do everything by yourself. There are 4,300 religions in the entire world. You can start a channel on some of them, like Islam. You just need cash cow managers. They do content for you and they will write scripts and do everything by them. Number 4. Personal care and style. Now everyone wants to look good. They want to be perfect, etc. So if you have no ideas regarding this niche, just go to WikiHow and search for personal care and style. Now you can see topic ideas on this niche, just copy 2 to 3 topics and search on YouTube. If I search how to brush your teeth, if I search this term on YouTube, there are so many people posting content on that. You can replicate the same strategy. However, the CPM of this niche is too high, so you have an ample, massive opportunity to make $1,000 to up to $5,000 within the next 4 to 5 months. Let me know your thoughts about this niche in the comment section. Number 3. Fitness. Fitness is an excellent niche to get started. For example, let me give you an example. Go to YouTube and write about Leap Fitness. Open this channel and go to the video section. As you can see here, they are posting simple videos. And if you check this channel on Social Blade, okay, if you check these stats, this channel is making roughly $1,000 to $2,000 or more than that. However, this kind of niche gets lots of sponsorships and affiliate products to promote. It's definitely a win-win situation. Number 2. Airplane videos. You always listen to start a cash cow YouTube channel on a specific niche. So with that being said, the airplane cash cow channel will blow up your business. The best part is that you're targeting particular topics on your track. So you will have 100% chances to grow this channel within 2 months. Now let's head on over to our final niche. Number 1. Relationships. In relationship channels, you have a significant opportunity to grow and earn passive income from multiple streams. You can produce videos related to relationship advice or others. If you go to YouTube and search for any relationship-related topic, let's say, how to know when someone likes you. You will see a lot of people producing cash cow videos on these kinds of topics. Let's search this channel, True Medallion. Now this person is posting simple whiteboard animation videos on relationships. By the way, whiteboard is the best way to get more watch time and engagement rate on your videos. So it's definitely a win-win situation. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you appreciate my efforts for this video, please leave a comment below or share it with your friends. Goodbye.